prevention or prescription? That's the choice that you and I each get to make. What will you choose? Well, I'm here to invite you, because I'm sure prevention makes a lot more sense than prescription. I'm here to invite you to an online event that will dismantle the lies that we've been told through the healthcare system. Not all of them, because there's too many, but it's going to be a webathon, a big, long, epic event where we twofold do two things. We're going to empower you with health truth so that you know the medical misinformation that is being promoted that creates health problems. And we're raising money for a very worthy cause, the AlternaCare Foundation. And our mission is Health Reinvented. How do we do that? Well, simply put, living prevention, not prescription. It's called lifestyle medicine, and it's so much more efficacious. 80 to 90% of all diseases are preventable by lifestyle. Most people don't know that. There's a reason why pharma doesn't want you to know that, because obviously their money is in selling product. But pharmaceuticals, on the other hand, their efficacy, 13 to 20% at best. So we have far more power in prevention, in taking care of ourselves. So we're launching Not Fooling Me with Medical Misinformation on April 1st. Yeah, you know what it is. But we're starting a new era. We're not going to be fooled anymore. And that's why we're launching this online event for people who want health truth, who want health empowered, and who want help knowing how to get started. That's what we're going to do. So below this video is a form. Please sign up so that you'll get your special invitation to this event. And if you want to know more about us, you can go to AlternaCare.org and you can see what we're doing in launching this online event, as well as our membership and our crowdfunding campaign. So we've got a lot of things that we're bringing to the table to empower you, because we believe that it's time that we live health educated instead of health emasculated. It's time to end the chaos, the confusion, the conflict. It's time to say enough of the corruption. And how we do that is when we become our own health advocate. So please join me, won't you, on April 1st at the webathon event, and I'll see you there.